Alright, GM guys. So today we'll be looking at how we can, navigate our way through Hamster Kombat as a newbie and, scaling our way up to the top, becoming a pro in this Hamster Kombat Telegram mining bot. Now, the first thing you need to do if you are just setting up your account or if you are new to this game is this. Upon, getting a referral link and you join the game, the first thing you need to do is go to N. So when you get to N, this daily task is always there. Click on daily task, claim. So when you claim this, click on this task list, join the Telegram channel. I've joined that. Get exclusive listing info on YouTube. Click on this, click on join, then wait for 1 hour to come back after 1 hour and check this. So after that, go to follow X account, click on join. It will open the link on your phone. If it doesn't open, just click on check. You are good to go. But you can go and locate their Telegram and their Twitter handle and follow. The next thing is choose an exchange. The exchange you are choosing here does not have any effect on your game or you participating in the game. Just choose one exchange. As for me, I've been picking but let me choose Bybit in this case. So I've chosen Bybit. Now I'll go back to N, then go to choose exchange, check so that I can collect all that coin. Now I just leveled up because I'm getting all this for 5,000 coin. Now the next task on the list is invite 3 friends. So when you invite up to 3 friends, come and check this. Now a whole lot of questions have been popping up on how to mine, how to improve your mining per hour, to maximize your in-game balance. This is mining per hour here, this is in-game balance here. How can you do this? Now I am currently at level 100. I've said this in my previous video, gold level, and there are 9 levels in this current season that we have gold, we have platinum, we have diamond, epic, legendary, master, and grand master. Okay, and we have 9 in total. So now if I go back to my exchange and I continue to tap, I'll be seeing my in-game balance getting higher, and the moment I exhaust this tapping energy, okay, this tapping level, this energy level, I can just come back, go to boost, then click on full energy. So once I click on full energy, it will refill this energy. But I won't be doing this for you to just watch me tap. No, the main purpose of this tutorial today is majorly on how to work on profit per hour, which can be done under mine. Now if you go to mine, every day for the past few days now, there are these 5 daily combo. Now today's combo, which is 30th of May, the first one is this new card. If you go to mine, then click on specials, click on new cards, concessors. If you click on these concessors, just click on join. So once you click on join, go back. Okay, it's saying I have insufficient funds to buy this, but we'll get there. Okay, so that's the first one on the list. While the second one on the list is under market. If you go to market, the second one on the list is margin trading. I think X50. Yeah, where is it? This is margin trading 20, 30, 50. This is 50. Now this is telling me I should upgrade my margin trading 30 to level 8. Now the main purpose of this video is to teach you how you can unlock all these lock cards. Now let's begin with this particular card. Let's assume I want to purchase this particular card, which is called staking. It is asking me before I can purchase this staking card, I should purchase KYC up to level 7. Now where do I get KYC? You can look through PRO team. If you've asked KYC there, upgrade KYC to level 7. But KYC is under legal. Now if I go to legal tab, I will see KYC is currently at level 0. So if I click on it, I'll buy to level 1. level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, 6, 7. Now if I go back to PRO market, if I go back to market rather, you will get to see that this taking has been activated. Before it was not possible, it was impossible, it was inaccessible, but now you can click on it, you can buy this card now. Let's go to the one we want to buy next, which is this particular one, this margin trading X50. Now trading X50 is asking us to upgrade trading X30 to level 8, and trading X30 is asking us to upgrade legal opinion to level 6. Legal opinion is also under legal, if I'm not mistaken. Now this is legal opinion. We are going to buy this to level 6. Now I'm going to show you this, not that I will be buying all the cards in this tutorial, but it's just for a guide for everybody to understand what's going on, because a lot of people have been asking questions. My card is locked, I can't, how can I unlock it, and all that stuff. Now why there are some cards that you won't be buying new cards to unlock, you will need to refer people before you can unlock it. I will show you some of that. I think we have some of that kind of cards under PRO and team. So now I think this is already in legal opinion, is in level 7 already. Now let's go to market back. You will see that this X30 has been activated. So if I buy this X30 up to level 8, this X50 will be activated as well. But given to my in-game balance, I don't think this will be enough. Now, as you are buying cards, this is what I wanted to notice. The more you buy cards, the more your profit per hour will increase. Now, am I encouraging you to spend all your coin on profit per hour? No. Am I encouraging you not to buy profit per hour? No. What I'm encouraging you to do is make sure you buy good cards that give you good return. Now, how do you even spot good cards that give you good return? Before we talk about spotting good cards that give you good return, this is what you need to notice. This project has been talking about we working on our profit per hour, and a lot of people have been talking about we working on our in-game balance. Now, I told my guys whom we are together in this game to be in the center. That is, increase your profit per hour, but don't spend all your in-game balance. As you are increasing your profit per hour gradually, be keeping your in-game balance as well. I made a very terrible mistake. I spent over 182 million coin on my first account on improving my profit per hour, and now I'm back to 100 million plus right now as we speak. But it's kind of painful. I got that sense of reasoning late. So given to the fact that Notcoin also told us to boost, and at the end of the day, they use our in-game balance to airdrop us. We are trying to play our game safe in a very smart way in this scenario too. I'm not asking you not to save your balance. I'm not asking you not to improve your car. I'm asking you to improve, to keep the two. While improving this, be working on this as well. Accumulate this, improve this, so that you'll be in between. So whatever they now want to use to airdrop us, if it is the in-game balance, we'll get a lot of airdrop. And if it is the profit per hour, but the profit per hour is just like your boss working for you at the same time. So now let's look at cards that we need to invest in and the one we shouldn't invest much in. Now let's go to special cards. If you go to special cards, if you click on this Web3 Academy, level 1 is requesting for 11,000 of your in-game balance, and it will be giving you 1.5k per hour. Now let's look at another card that is maybe around the same price, and how much is going to profit you per hour. Now this top 10 global ranking is 10k, and it will be giving you 1.2k. Now let's look at maybe one coin under PRO team. Sure, you see all this PRO team? They are very funny. A card can go on and on. You'll be buying and buying, leveling the card up, and the card will be giving you little return. But I will encourage you, always do your calculation very well. Now look at this one, 10k, 950. Why this one under special? 10k, 1,200 of the coin per hour. You can see it will be very wise of you to invest in this firstly before you go on and invest in this fans token next. You get that? So always do your own research too, and don't just keep on upgrading. Now what I would advise you is all these low cap cards, like low return revenue generating return cards, I don't know, don't invest much on them. Just buy them to level 10 and chill. Did I make sense right now? Don't buy them much, like just level them to level 10 and stop. Don't get them above level 10. All these ones that give you small returns, just level 10. But special cards, if you get to level 10 as well, just stop on level 10 for each of these cards. So while you are working on your in-game balance, you should be working on your mining per hour, and also look wisely, or do your this thing, find this very well before you buy a card. Do you get that? So now the three combo for today, which is 30th of May, is this consensus card 50k, under PRO team, this where is it, one of the cards under PRO team actually. So I think either under PRO team, yeah, then this X50 under market as well. So if you still have any question concerning this Hamster Kombat, maybe in the last video which I'll be posting on this, getting yourself familiarized with Hamster Kombat, how it works, and how to be on the safer side, I'm going to get a lot of other questions answered there. Now, the last thing I will be answering here is people have been asking, how can I withdraw? How can I connect wallet? As we speak, Hamster Kombat is just an ordinary game. It's just a tap to mine game. It doesn't have any reward value. It doesn't have any value at the moment. Any monetary value at the moment. Until when they mint it into a token, that's when we can say, okay, after our in-game balance can be converted into Hamster token, then it will become something we can trade on chain and cash out with it. Until then, just keep on tapping, accumulating, improving your mining per hour, and refer people. That's one of the biggest way of going faster in this game. Refer as much as possible. All the best, guys. GM.